Okay, would the defendant please rise? Madam Clerk, you may publish the verdict.
Circuit Court, Pinellas County, Florida. State of Florida versus Jennifer Meade. Murder in the first degree. We, the jury, finds as follows: the defendant in this case, the defendant is guilty of murder in the first degree as charged. So say we all. Foreperson of the jury, George Dominia. Dated September 20, 2013. Is this your verdict?
It is.
Is this your verdict?
Yes.
Is this your verdict?
Yes.
Is this your verdict?
Yes.
Should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work.